Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Allahabad location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. I am going to provide all the links in the description box for the job roles mentioned in this video. You please check once for the links. Coming to the video, firstly, there is a job opening for the manager professional loans. It is from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like managing and supporting the effective deployment of team of sales professionals with respect to that geographical area, exploring new markets and in allocating resources to most profitable opportunities, achieving sales targets and cross-selling insurance, creating a strong and compliant sales culture across the channel to drive acquisitions, profitability and employee development, identifying the need of sales training, analyzing changing market trends, channel deployment, etc., and also giving feedback and suggestions to the RSM. These are some roles and responsibilities for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the content writer. It is from SR Technologies Inc. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you had to create a new content to assist marketing campaigns, and you had to work closely with marketing team members, and you had to optimize content using SEO best practices. These are some responsibilities for this job position. And if you see the qualifications required, like you should have a bachelor's degree in marketing or relevant work experience, and you should have experience in full life cycle project management, and you should be proficiency in major digital and print platforms. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the Android developer. It is from Marketonic India. For this position, the responsibilities will include, like you have to design and build advanced applications for the Android platform, and you have to collaborate with cross-functional teams to define, design and shape new features, and you have to work with outside data sources and APIs, unit test code for robustness including edge cases, usability and general reliability, and you have to work on bug fixing and improving application performance. These are some responsibilities I have included here for this position, and for more detailed information about this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the Inside Sales Executive. It is from U-Certify. If you see the job responsibilities, like you have to find new sales opportunities via cold calling and emails, and you have to understand customer needs and requirements. You have to research accounts, identify key players, and generate interest. And you will be working via phone or internet, and there is no field work. And for this position, like there will be a flexible shift, that is night shift. And if you see the job requirements, you should have strong phone presence, and you should have excellent verbal and written communication skills, strong listening and presentation skills, and you should be a graduate or PC degree or equivalent. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information about this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the sales manager. It is from Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. For this position, the job description will include, like it will be a full-time on-roll position for sales manager, and for this position the package will be up to 5 lakhs per annum as per previous performance and experience, and the location will be Allahabad only, and local candidates will be preferred. Interested candidates, if you are suitable for this position, you can check in the description box for the link to apply. Next one, There is a job opening for the Business Development Manager Health Insurance. It is from Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. And if you see the job responsibilities like business development and execution, permanent sales execution on ground for driving health business in alignment with overall business strategy for the vertical considering the prevailing market conditions to ensure achievement of defined targets of revenue or profit, and you have to maintain and analyze sales reports and according direct sales teams to increase health business and screen market landscape and identify prospective institutions or big agents who can liaison with them and to increase health sales, and how to develop and implement action plans for increasing the intermediaries wallet share with basic while maintaining profitability of business. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. For more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager and it is from Bajaj Spencer. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like investigate disputes or alerts received from FRM or customer service channels, and you have to contribute towards a specialized rules in FRM basis investigation of cases, and you have to liaise with the sponsor banks of payer or payee to reverse the transactions, blocking of accounts, etc. And you have to liaise with legal team or field or save team for reverts on legal complaints. These are some duties and responsibilities have included for this position. And if you see the qualifications and experience required, like you should have minimum 2 to 3 years of work experience in fraud risk domain or in related to cards and payments products, and the candidates are preferable who have experience with any of the leading wallet company, and the candidates should have experience of working on FRM tools of NPCI, Visa and MasterCard, and the candidate should be ready to travel to different locations as required for fraud investigations and actions. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job position, you please check once in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for the digital marketing executive, SEO or SEM or SMO or SMM. It is from Exo Infotech Private Limited. For this job position, you should have 3 to 6 years of work experience. And if you see the skills and qualifications required, like you should have at least 3 years of experience and knowledge of SEO, organic search, Google AdWords, lead crawl, HTML, Botify, SEO optimization, marketing principles, conducted such. These are some skills required for this job position. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you will help define content strategy and link growth programs for path interactives, SEO and social media clients, and you will develop comprehensive keyword research documentation and strategic keyword evaluations, and you will create such optimized compelling metadata content and website content, and you will assist account managers in translating client objectives into such marketing strategy. These are some responsibilities I have included here for this position. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager, debt management services consumer. It is from Bajaj Spencer. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like you have to achieve collection targets of the respective branch assigned, ensuring meetings PA targets, meeting the target on cost of collections, ensuring meeting PA targets within cost limit specified on a monthly basis, and ensuring legal guidelines are compiled for intent collection structure in return speeds, and you have to ensure that the collection agencies and executives adhere to the legal guidelines provided by the law enforcement, and you have to ensure adherence to the code of conduct, and continuously monitoring collection agencies and collection executives to identify fraudulent practices and ensure that no loss is incurred due to such activities. These are some duties and responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the financial advisor. It is from Max Life Insurance Company Limited. For this position, the candidates should have the age about 23 years and the location will be nearby Allahabad. And the candidates should have graduated from any stream. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details, and for more detailed information, you please check in the description box for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.